Good morning, students. Welcome to your English class. Today we will be doing the fifth chapter from your Honeydew book. The chapter's name is The Summit Within. It is written by Major H.P.S. Ahluwalia. I would be summarizing the chapter for you. Let us know something about the author. Major H.P.S. Ahluwalia is an Indian mountaineer and an ex-army person. He was a member of the first successful Indian expedition to the Mount Everest in 1965. He climbed the Mount Everest on 29th May 1965 along with his friends Rawat and Phu Dorji. Major Ahluwalia has won several awards like Padma Bhushan, Arjuna Award, the National Award for the best work done in the field of disability. He also received the Tanzang Norgay National Adventure Award for lifetime achievement on August 29, 2009. He has written several books like Higher Than Everest, Beyond the Himalayas, and Everest Within You. Now that I have told you about the author, let us see what we have in the chapter. In this chapter, the author and the narrator, Major H.P.S. Ahluwalia, describes his experiences and feelings standing on Mount Everest. As Major Ahluwalia was the member of the Indian expedition to Mount Everest, it was the first successful expedition and took place in 1965. He was too tired physically when he reached the Everest. He felt humbled, joyful, and also sad at the same time. Also, he was very thankful to God. In the year 1965, the expedition to Mount Everest was the first successful expedition. This is a reflective essay. It is a recollection of Major Ahluwalia's experience when he climbed the Everest. It talks about human endeavors, his decision to climb the Everest, and nature as a majestic force. Also, he was sad somewhere. Though he was not sure about the reason, he thought that it was because now there is no higher peak to climb. In spite of climbing this summit, he thinks that there is also another summit that we need to climb. It is the summit of our minds. As per his observation, he said that a person requires three qualities to climb any summit. The first one, endurance, second, persistence, and the third, willpower. On the question of why he chose to climb the Everest, he says that he loves mountains. As Mount Everest is the highest of them all and it is a great struggle against rock and ice to climb it, he finds it very challenging. He says that he has a strong urge to face and overcome the obstacles. Also, to him, the joy of climbing Mount Everest is too much, as only a few can manage to do this. He adds here that climbing Everest is not just a physical achievement but also an emotional and spiritual experience. This success has brought him fame and also fulfillment. Ahluwalia further states that after reaching the peak of the Everest, they all bowed down to God. He left a picture of Guru Nanak, Rawat left a picture of goddesses Durga, and Phu Dorji left a relic of Lord Buddha, and Edmund Hillary buried a cross under the snow at the Everest. He also says that every person has within him or his own mountain peak. Climbing this inner peak is also important as this climb will also change him. He also adds that perhaps the internal summit is even more higher than the Everest. The essay gets concluded by a thought. He says that we can overcome any obstacles or situations in life if we have endurance, persistence, and willpower. Thank you, students, for watching my video. All I want you to do is to read the chapter once again and go through the new words. You will write these new words in your notebook. Thank you. See you soon.